So we're coming down. So I just want to document this Baldwin F from the 1960s pedal lyre. This is the case number. We're going to be putting this piano down its legs right now, but while it's on its side, we can get a view of what the Baldwin F looks like from underneath. It's very similar to a Steinway Model B. In fact, it's almost the same piano in many respects, except for division between the two top treble sections. The bass section has the same number of notes. It's common. Easy for the key maker to make a cut between E natural and F. Here's the actual serial number. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ribs. 13 ribs. One thing that I think is noteworthy is that there's no cutoff bar, and there's no what Steinway calls pulsator, which is the strip of wood that would traverse these 4 ribs right here. Just kind of connects them. Also, the beaming structure underneath is entirely different. In a Steinway, there's no cross bar there, and the beams are coming to a point as opposed to meeting the belly rail in two different locations there. And then, of course, there's a bell, right, which is a Steinway thing that you don't see here. Let's see some. Yeah. It's had some institutional use, for sure. What really interesting is that the legs are not all the same length. So the thickness of the rim is X plus the rear console platform for the tail leg. But the front legs, which are underneath the key bed, are a little shorter because there's a spacer between the bottom of the rim and the key bed, which is the same thickness as the rear console. So what this means is that the tail leg of this piano is actually longer than the front 2 legs by a very minuscule amount. But that visually, when you stare at the piano from a from an angle creates the optical illusion that the piano is longer. And different piano makers shortened the depth of the case towards the tail to increase the foreshortening but
they're all online.
and here we are. You can tell which leg goes in the back pretty easily, because the difference in height is the difference of that spacer.